Is there anything more comforting than the soft flicker and beautiful scent of a candle? Store-bought candles can be expensive, and you're never quite sure what's in them. But what if you could create your own beautiful, natural, perfectly scented candles at home? It's incredibly easy and so rewarding. Let me show you how. To get started, you'll need just a few simple things. First, your wax. I recommend soy wax flakes for beginners as they're natural and easy to use. You'll need some candle wicks with bases, a container for your candle, like a glass jar or a tin, a fragrance oil of your choice, and finally something to hold your wick in place, like a peg or a wick centering tool. Step 1 is to gently melt your wax. You'll need about twice the volume of your container in solid wax flakes. The safest way to do this is using a double boiler method. Simply place a heat-proof bowl or jug over a saucepan of simmering water and pour your wax flakes inside. Stir gently as it melts into a clear golden liquid. Never leave melting wax unattended. While your wax is melting, prepare your jar. Take one of your wicks and dip the metal base into the hot wax, then quickly press it down into the exact center of the bottom of your container. The hot wax acts like a glue. Then secure the top of the wick in the center using a clothes peg or a centering tool laid across the rim of the jar. This ensures your wick stays straight as you pour. Once your wax is fully melted, take it off the heat and let it cool for just a minute or two. This is the perfect time to add your fragrance. A good rule of thumb is to add about 1 part fragrance oil to 10 parts wax. Pour in your chosen scent and stir gently but thoroughly for about a minute to ensure it's fully blended. Step 4 is the magical pour. Slowly and carefully pour your scented wax into your prepared container, making sure the wick stays centered. Now for the hardest part, the wait. You need to let your candle set completely, undisturbed for at least 4 to 6 hours or ideally overnight. This allows it to harden properly. Once your candle is completely solid, the final step is to trim the wick. You want it to be about 1/4 of an inch or just over 1/2 centimeter long. A short wick gives a cleaner, safer burn. And there you have it, your very own beautiful handmade candle. It's a wonderful, relaxing process with a beautiful result you can enjoy or give as a thoughtful gift. If you enjoyed this guide, please hit that like button. Subscribe to Another How To Guru for more creative DIY projects. What scent would you choose for your first candle?